12, 2024. We're looking at the Euro US dollar daily chart on the left hand side. And today's a brutal for bulls. Those who went long today, probably have to cut loss pretty badly. For me, fortunately, I'm in California, so I was sleeping when it had a big drop around 1 a.m. So daily chart. This is a purely technical analysis. In the last 2 days, been talking about the support line, the yellow line here at 1.07 level, finally broke. Once break, it just kept on going. It seems like it dropped more than 120 pips. Terrible. And let's look at some example here. This is a good trading technique we use, even though I didn't get in to short the market. Let's go to 5-minute chart here. Okay, this on the left hand side is daily, on the right hand side is 5-minute chart. Let's look at 1.07 level on 5-minute chart here. Right there. You see it? Okay, 1.0 is right there, 1.069 be exact number. When it happened, it dropped, cut through it, and stayed below the 1.07 for almost 30 minutes. This is a sign of, not reversal, but keep going down. This is a sign of falling more. And look at the structure here, the small structure. Has a head and shoulder, a little bit, but keep going down after, once break this trend line. If I go short this market, I probably would take profit on the daily chart, the blue trend line here. I probably take profit around here, like this line here, 1.067. I didn't expect it fell so much today, so I'm surprised. But anyway, let's look at the support resistance for next week. Oh yeah, let's look at the dollar US. Okay, let's look at the dollar index chart. This is a dollar index chart. Look at it. So for the dollar index, you had a breakout above the trend line, and the movement strong. But look at RSI. It should be trading in the overbought area on Monday when it opens. Either next week it will keep on going, or come back down, have a pullback. Let's see, we have a chance, there will be a chance, for pullback on Monday. Now it's above the trend lines. That's not a good sign. I think next level should be, for the dollar index, should be here. Maybe next week, it might have a chance to reach, the previous top. Yeah, since this one's already broke the top here, forming a cup. You see a cup here? There's a cup, and then handle, now band. So I would say temporary top in the next week might be here. Maybe at this level. Let's look at the Bollinger of the dollar index. So dollar index tells us it's trading and close above the upper band, Bollinger band. Every time we see it, above the upper band, Bollinger band, the next bar, that means next day, there will be a pullback. Look at it. 1, 2, every time. Here, pullback. Here, pullback. And this one is way outside the upper band, Bollinger band. Chances are high. Look at this one here. 1, 2, a lot. You can do homework yourself. Find out how many of them. That we'll have a good retracement next day. I suspect probably Monday we'll have a pullback for the dollar. Okay, let's look at the US dollar now. So if dollar index have a pullback, so euro should have bounced, right? Let's look at euro. For the euro, we're looking at the Bollinger Band again. Ooh, way close below the Bollinger Band. So chances of having a retracement are very high. So we have two coins. Again, we have two sides. If you go long, look for the upside retracement there. So before 1.07 was support. 1.07 was support. Now it's a resistance. It's possible it could go all the way back to test the 1.07 level. Next week we'll see. Interesting thing too, my favorite 5-day moving average, it didn't get tested for 2 days already. So next week, it might not be tested, but at least it will get closer to the 5-day moving average because it's so far away now. The best scenario for euro for next week, maybe. Yeah, the best scenario for next week, maybe bounce up and then pull back and bounce a little bit and then drop again. That for the whole week, it's not 1 day. But for next week should be for Monday. Hopefully there will be bounce right here, test at this level and come back down. For the next support, euro should be 1.049 around their level, around there. Or could be lower. I would say, temporary support should be a good support before a big bounce. If next week it keeps on falling, I would say Monday, Tuesday, this is a final target, 1.049 area before any significant bounce. Otherwise, I think the trading range next week should be here, should be kept between 1.07 and 1.049 level. Yeah, is it 1.049? Yeah, 1.045 be exact, 1.07, 1.045 for next week. So pay attention. The support and resistance level. The resistance should be 1.07, support should be 1.045 level. We'll be trading between this. That's my guess. So do your own homework. The euro is trading way below lower band, Bollinger Band. I think you should have a good bounce. At least, correct, the lower band, Bollinger Band. At least, so others. So watch this level. If you go long, if you go short, watch below 1.405, 1.045 levels. And one thing, interesting thing, look at 240 minute on the right hand side. Is this, look at the blue trend line. It's been touching the trend line and bounce, touching the trend line, bounce, and this one today too. Just touch the trend line and bounce. Not bounce yet. I assume there will be retracement on Monday or Tuesday. So that's what I'm hoping. And then also we look at the US dollar, right? US dollar, same thing. So good luck on your trading. On Monday, let's see what the euro will give us. You have a great weekend. Thank you for watching this video.